ready to cash out some crypto gains and convert them into good old euros on Kraken. Let's dive in. First, log into your Kraken account if you don't have one. You'll need to create one and complete the verification process. Once you're in, navigate to the trade section. It's usually found in the top menu. Now, find the correct trading pair. Since we're converting crypto to euros, you'll need to select the pair that matches the cryptocurrency you want to sell and EUR, for example. If you're selling Bitcoin, look for BTC EUR. Use the search bar to quickly find the right pair. Next, it's time to place your order. You'll see an order form where you can choose between a market order and a limit. Order. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to sell at for a quick conversion. A market order is usually best. Enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You can either type in the amount or use the percentage buttons to sell a portion of your holdings, like 25%, 50%, or 100%. Before you execute the trade, carefully review the details. Pay close attention to the fees and the estimated EUR you'll receive. Kraken charges fees for each trade, so factor that into your decision. Finally, click the Sell Cryptocurrency Name button to execute your order. If you used a market order, it should fill almost instantly. You'll see a confirmation message once the trade is complete. To confirm the conversion, check your account balance. You should see the EUR reflected in your available balance, and that's it. You've successfully converted your crypto to euros on Kraken.